We are going to discuss the life cycle of pinworm, or which is also called threadworm or enterobius vermicularis. Morphology of the worms is that these worms are unsegmented, spindle shaped. Female is longer from male in size, and posterior end of male body is curved and sharply truncated, while that of female is straight, long, tapering and finally pointed tail. The difference between male and female worm: that the posterior end of male body is curved and that of female is straight. Egg is asymmetrical, plano-convex, colorless, transparent shell and contains coiled tadpole-like larva. This is the egg of pinworm, which is having clear, transparent shell and tadpole-like larva. In it. Then the life cycle of pinworm, very easy. Just focus on the diagram what I'm saying. Eggs are laid in the perianal region of the host, which is the definitive host, which is the human being. Once these eggs are laid, these embryonated eggs are very infective to human beings. So ingestion of these embryonated eggs while scratching this area or rubbing this area, because it causes perianal itching, and then the use of these contaminated hands for food, or directly putting it in the mouth, like usually done by the children. So these embryonated eggs get entry into the body. In GIT, the shell is dissolved by the digestive juices, and the larvae hatch in the upper intestine. After molting twice, they become adult in lower ileum in about 2 to 6 weeks. Here it's shown penetrate and develop in mucosa. Younger worms mature in the lower small intestine and upper colon. After attaining sexual maturation, the male fertilizes the female and dies. Gravid female then migrates down the cecum and colon and maybe to the vermiform appendix, and remains there until the eggs develop. Fertilized female then wanders down the rectum and works its way out of the anus during night or early morning hours to deposit the eggs in the perianal region, and through the ingestion of these embryonated eggs, again the life cycle is repeated. The clinical features, clinical findings are the perianal pruritus, eczematous condition in the perianal region, salpingitis, nocturnal enuresis, appendicitis and secondary bacterial infections. Important for your MCQs is the transmission through perianal and oral route. Definitive host is humans. There is no intermediate host. Infective form is embryonated eggs. Person to person transmission through beddings or handling of clothes of infected person. Diagnosis is through perianal swab or stool microscopy, or sometimes the direct examination of the perianal region, which may reveal gravid female worms. Treatment is the parental palmate and mebendazole, while the prevention and control is through personal hygiene, maintenance and mass treatment of all infective cases. If you like my video, please like and do comment and share it with your friends. See you with my next video, and thanks for watching.